What am I doing? I'm breaking in. I guess that's picked. Oh, it's almost there. There we go. Alright, so we go 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. It's a total 2. It's 2, 1, 1, 1. 5. Wait, I'm all confused. 3. 2, 1, 1, 3. And then was 5. And then where are we at? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Round 7. 7 is down. Gosh dang. Okay, so 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2. 5 is a 1. 6 is a 3. 5 is a 1. 6 is a 3. 7 is a 5. 5, 4. That really feels like triple 5s. Yeah, it's not though. That one's definitely a 5. Let's say this one's a 4. What if this is a 4? Okay. So what's 10? 10's a 2. Okay. What if this is a 5? Okay, so this has to be a 4. Alright, let's see. Alright, cut. Sweet. Oh, alarm is gonna go off. That's alright. Alright, so we got an active alarm. We have a door code that we can enter. So instead of waiting the 10 minutes and hopefully be able to bypass the alarm, we'll see if we can just hurry up and get this code. Okay. Flashlight. We're gonna come up under here. And we gotta go to this box right here. Take off a little bolt down here. Which I am on. And on. There we go. Now I'm on it. Okay. It's gonna be extremely hard to see, but there's a bolt at the bottom of this fuse box. 10 millimeter. Take off first. Okay. Almost got it off. Now the bolt is off, so we should be able to pry this panel away some. Most of the time I use my phone. This time We're gonna see if we can just see this. Let's see it this way. So on the back of this box, and there it is. It says code 18841. It says key code 18841. So let's go see. Deactivate this alarm. There we go. Alarm's deactivated. Alright. Let's go in here. Alright, so we'll agree. Ford. Man, this car is all sorts of yummy. Yep, there it is. Okay. I'll go buy vehicle. This is a Ford Edge. 2015. Continue. Prox. Add a key. Disarm the alarm. You need to close all doors. Just wait 10 to 15 minutes to disarm the alarm. You see how quickly that was, just to do it if you have a door code. Okay, turn on the hazards. And there's a slot down here, programming slot. It's in the front and middle. It's an elevated slot with like the size of this key. So you just put the key in the slot like this. It's horizontal, it'll sit exactly like this. So let's put it down here in the slot. And we'll just leave it there and continue. Alright, place a new key that you want to program in the programming slot. We already did. Okay. Wrong type. I don't know why it failed and now it worked. Okay. No. And now it should be good. Hold out a slot. Locks, unlocks. Starts the vehicle.